Welcome. This is another section under our video, the Go Digital course, where we'll be learning how to make a video course. And in our own traditional way of doing this, we normally have the theory aspect where we look at the PowerPoint presentation before we go into the practical aspect of it. So in this section, I'm going to teach you about the common mistakes to avoid when you want to make a video course, the tools you need, and everything you need to prepare in order to have a successful video course. I know you are excited, you are motivated, and you are inspired to produce your own course like this, where you'll be teaching people about the various ideas that you have and opportunity to make more money online. So let us go in deeply into the course. Just before you consider launching your own video course, you need to consider the following points and factors. Number one, you need to consider craving. You need to make sure that your course solves a huge problem. See, I've seen a lot of people trying trying to impress others. In launching a video course is not all about impressing others. For me, it's all about helping people to solve a problem and then getting paid for that. So, and it does not matter which sector of the economy you are playing from, or you're acting from. Your course should solve a problem. When people watch your video, whether it is a 10 minutes video, whether it is a 1 hour video, whether it is 10 hours video, whether it is a group of videos that you have part 1, part 2, part 3, when people watch it from the beginning to the end, they should be able to say, oh, I learned this, and this. It should solve a problem. People should not finish watching your video and say, okay, so where do I start from? It means the video is not solving any problem. The next one is content. See, a video course is different from an ebook. In an ebook, you can research, you can even you can copy other people's work, which is illegal actually, but people do it and they get away with it. But in a video course, you actually need to be the one speaking. You actually need to, it has to be your original content. Even if it's not your original content, you have to say it, you have to teach it, you have to explain it. So if you do not know it, it will easily show that you do not know. People, your audience will, if it is a 30 minutes video, your audience will listen for 3-5 minutes. They will realize that this one does not know what he or she is talking about, and they will get away. Some of them will be asking for a refund. They will not like, or they will say that they are not benefiting from the content. So you want to make a video course on what you really know. This again is to actually drive home the point where I talked in the previous videos, where I talked about the sweet point, where you are going to have a combination of everything present in the digital course you want to offer. You have good content, it is something you know about, craving, it is solving a problem, and so on and so forth. So that sweet spot is where you want to target in your video. So make sure you know your content. Another one is you get a customized teaching style. Some of you will have watched YouTube videos, some of you will have seen my own videos, or you will have seen other people's videos. The best way to go about it is to go natural. Just be natural. Do it in your own style. If showing your face is it for you, do it. If not showing PowerPoint presentation, if showing your face to explain it live and direct, where you display is it for you, please do it. If actually doing a PowerPoint presentation is it for you, please do it. If combining the two is it for you, do it. If going live on a website to show people how it is done, doing PowerPoint presentation, and then showing your face to explain to people is it for you, please feel free to combine the three. I do the three. I show my face when I need to talk to people one-on-one. I go practical when I need to visit websites or do a practical session of what I'm teaching. Then I do PowerPoint presentation to teach people the theoretical part of what I am teaching. So I'm okay to go for everything. If you do not have the capacity to do all the three, just stay with the one that is good for you. So get a customized teaching style, the one that goes along with your life and the resources you have. Then make your course title catchy and specific. This course is called Go Digital. how to start a profitable digital or information marketing business in Nigeria. Anybody that reads it knows that I am talking about how to start an online business that is profitable, simple and clear. Don't go and give your topic, your course a topic people will be asking. So what do I learn from it? From the topic, people should be able to know exactly what they want to learn, or they just ask simple questions and you explain further. So give you something short. Don't go and give a topic that is about three or four, five sentences. A single line, a short sentence is okay. In most cases, a phrase or a clause is all you need. For example, go digital. For example, 3-in-1 masterclass, and so on and so forth. Then make sure that your course triggers curiosity in people in such a way that they want to ask questions about what you offer. Then be mindful of the video length. The reason why at times we break our videos into different parts is because adults have a short term span, where a very short term span when it comes to learning. Their attention span, rather, a very short attention span when it comes to learning. So because we are adults, a lot of things are going on in our minds. We are thinking about our wife, about our children, about our work, about our business, about our debts, about our health, about our house, about our security, even about election in Nigeria. We are worried about what could happen. So be mindful of your video length. People don't have time to, no matter how good the topic is, no matter how good a trainer you are, people don't have time to really sit down and be watching your video for 10 hours, for 8 hours. What you want to do is that if it is a 1 hour video, break it down into three and name each different names or different topics. If it is a single topic, name it part 1, part 2, part 3. People can say, okay, I want to watch part 1 now and watch part 2 later. Don't let your video be unnecessarily long. Then again, practice. A video course can easily expose you if you do not practice, or if you are not organized. Be organized, practice. Do the video once, do it twice, watch it, answer it sincerely. Does it make sense to you too? Is it something you like to pay for? Is it something you like to waste your data or invest your data on to watch? If the answer is no, do it again. Does it solve the problem you think it could solve? Practice, practice, and practice. Then again, the common mistakes you should avoid. Number one, choosing a topic you know little about. Like I said earlier, a video course is easy to expose your errors and shortcomings. So make sure you choose a topic you know a lot about. So if anything goes wrong while you are live on in your video, you can easily fix it because it is something that you know. Number two, thinking for your audience. Thinking that your audience will like it this way is a recipe for failure when it comes to digital courses, not even only in video, in ebook, in any digital product you want to offer. You cannot think for people. You need to ask them. You need to do your investigations. You need to do your researches. You need to carry out surveys. Ask people what they want. Find out what people want and offer it how they want it, the way they want it, and exactly what they want. Now again, recording a video without a plan. You can't just click record on your laptop and start recording, or on your phone and start recording. You need to prepare your presentation. You need to prepare your slides. You need to perfect your slides. You need to check your errors. I know nobody is perfect, but try as much as possible that you check everything before you start. Check your microphone, check all your tools, check your camera, check everything. Run the PowerPoint presentation, read everything line by line, and make sure that check it that the PowerPoint is in accordance to how you want it to show. So make sure that everything is perfect just before you go live. Then there are times that you are laying emphasis so much. I know I can be faulty with this point too, that there are times that I overemphasize issues. I repeat because I want to drive home my point. But at times people feel like, oh, you have said this one before, guy, just move on. So the fear of not making sense is something that will make you to now be wasting so much time on a video that should be 10 minutes is now 40 minutes, all because you think people are not getting you, and because you want to give a lot of values in a single video. At times when we try to impress people, we overdo it, and people now get irritated and they get disinterested in or uninterested in what we want to, or what we offer. So make sure that you go straight to the point, and you do not overemphasize too much. Then again, you try to get all the tools before starting. um I am guilty of this. Last year, before I started recording YouTube videos, I was trying to get all the tools I needed. I went online, I checked everything. I needed a webcam, I needed a camera, I needed lighting, I needed this, I needed microphone, I needed that, I needed a screen recording software, a video recording software, a video editing software. Do I even know about editing? All these things. So even considering the finances, the cost implication, it was overwhelming. Then later I just decided. I think I read a book or something, and there are times that you know something, but you just forget about it, and you are falling prey to ignorance. I read the book, and the thing just struck something in my brain, like, what the hell is wrong with you, Plan B? You can start with everything you have. So I was waiting to import all sort of things. One day I just thought of it. I just drove to Computer Village. I called a friend who is familiar with Computer Village, who supplies laptops and stuff like that to big companies, but his office is somewhere around Computer Village. I called him, where can I get this? He described the place for me. I searched for the place. I got it. I got a microphone for maybe 8,000 naira or thereabouts. And I was already gathering money to order for all these things together at once from Amazon. I later got some, but I started doing my business before those ones arrived. So, but at the time, imagine if I was waiting, I would have waited for extra several weeks before I could start. But thank God that I didn't wait to get everything before I started. Then again, trying to get the best tools before starting. This one is also a common mistake that all of us make. This you go online. It happened to me too. Before I bought the microphone I was using, I was reading every day. I was reading reviews about microphones, the best one. I was checking my friends' Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp, where they uploaded the tools they are using. I'm like, this one is using this one, I want to use it. This one is using this one, I want to use it. I check Jumia, they don't have it. I check Konga, they don't have it. Only on AliExpress, only on Amazon. It will take weeks before I will get it. And I want to start video like tomorrow, or like today. So I just, okay, I think I'll just settle for one. So one day I was watching a review, and I saw that this collar microphone is also recommended. As okay, I check where I can buy it in Nigeria. Then let me just go to Computer Village. Whatever I see, I'll buy it, and I will start using it until I get the professional ones. But let me shock you, I am still using the same color microphone that I bought last year up till now. In fact, that's what I'm using to record this video, and nobody has ever complained about the quality of my audio. It may not be the best you can have, but at least it is functional. It is doing the job it is supposed to do, and nobody is complaining. And most importantly, I am making sense to my audience, and I'm making money, and I'm fine with that. So don't fall victim of all these common mistakes. Now let's go straight to the tools you need for a video course. This may not be the entire tools you need, but these are the basic ones that can start you up with a video course. Number one, you need a presentation software. It could be PowerPoint presentation, which you all have on your Windows system, or a Keynote software or app, which you all have on your MacBooks. Again, you need a laptop. It could either be a Windows laptop or a MacBook. Whatever, do know that you can use a laptop to record a video course, as well you can use a mobile phone to record a video course. I repeat, you can use a mobile phone to record a video course. Just that in most cases, when we want our audience, except what you want to explain is present on mobiles or on mobile devices only, or you want to show people how it is done on mobile devices, it is preferable, it is professional that you use a laptop for your video presentations. It is preferable. Then the next one, you need a webcam. A detachable webcam is just fine in case your laptop does not have a webcam. Then you need a screen recorder software. I will show you the one I use. You also need lightning. Let me tell you, you need lightning only when you want to show your face. If you don't need to show your face, you don't need lightning. Like now, I'm doing this. You don't know whether I'm doing it in darkness, or I'm doing it in my car, or I'm doing it on my bed in my house, or I'm doing it in my office, or I'm doing it in an hotel or anywhere. I'm just doing a video. You don't need a lighting. So if the course you want to offer is not a course where you show your face, you don't need lighting. But in case you want to be showing your face in your course because you need to go live, you need lighting. You need a microphone. Like I said earlier, you need a very good and nice microphone that's going to show, that's going to make you audible so that your audience can hear you clearly. Then you need a screen, a video editing app or software on your phone or on your laptop. So let me take you to the ones that I use. These are the tools I use for my own video. Number one, I use a Boya BYM-M1 lavalier microphone. It's a collar microphone, and this is the picture. It's a collar microphone, and as you can see, you can get it anywhere. I think you can get this on Konga, you can get it on Jumia, you can buy it in. Just tell them you want to buy a Boya collar microphone or a Boya lavalier microphone. They will give it to you. Pastors use this, imams use this, musicians use this, people use this a lot. It's not special. And I think I bought mine maybe 8K or something. I can't remember. I bought it 2018 and I'm still using it up till now. And this is what I am using for this video. The thing is actually, the wire is so long that it is, in fact, I am really enjoying it, and it is a good value for my money. Number two, I use a MacBook Air laptop. That is what I use. You can use Windows, you can use any laptop as long as there is PowerPoint presentation or Keynote for your PowerPoint on it. This is my laptop that I use. I have a webcam. I use for my webcam. I didn't buy any webcam. All my videos that you have seen up to today that you see me showing my face, it is my laptop webcam. So the screen recorder I use, once you click on webcam, it will just open your laptop camera straight away, and it will be showing your face. It is as simple as that. This is part of the tools I was wasting time and money to get before I started, but thank God that something came to my mind that I should start with what I had. Since my laptop has a very clear webcam, I didn't bother myself to go and buy another webcam, so I'm using my laptop camera. Then again, for my screen recorder, I use a software called Screencast-O-Matic. This is another thing I wasted several weeks, even months on, trying to get the best. I was trying to get ScreenFlow, Camtasia, and so on. Some of them are even so expensive. I will watch the video on YouTube. I will say that this one is cumbersome for me to use. I'm not a programmer, and I'm not an IT expert. I'm just a bloody entrepreneur. All I want is just to make sense to people and then make money for myself and my family. So why do I need to? So one day I saw Screencast-O-Matic, and it is cheap. It is less than $20 per annum to use it. $20 is less than 8,000 naira to use for 1 year. So imagine how much money this thing has made for me in creating video courses. So it is cheap. There are some for $50, some for $100, even some for $500. If you have the money, go and buy them. But I use Screencast-O-Matic, and that is the website, screencast-o-matic.com. Go and buy it there, and they have tutorials on how to use it. Very simple. Nobody taught me. I bought the software. I went on YouTube to go and look for videos how to use Screencast-O-Matic. I downloaded the videos. I watched them like 2 or 3 times. I started recording my videos. Based on what I learned from the videos, I started editing my videos, and it is as simple as that. Although in this course, I will show you myself how to use Screencast-O-Matic to record or edit videos, God's willing, or I get you a video that can explain that to you. Then again, I use Keynote. Keynote is the equivalence of PowerPoint on Windows. Keynote is what we use on Mac. So this presentation you are seeing right now is prepared by Keynote. PowerPoint can also do this equally. So these are the tools I use. Talking about lighting and others, I have this table light that I use, and if I'm not recording my videos at home, if I want to record it in a hotel or anywhere, one of the things I check in that hotel room is, do they have a table lighting? If they don't have, so I will just show the table lighting and direct it to my face so that my face will be clear. At times I don't just care, I will just record the video as long as there is normal natural light, that my face is clear and everything. My One of the opportunities I have is my webcam is very very clear, so whether I use lighting or not, people can see my face clearly. So these are the tools that I use, and let me tell you, these are the tools I have been using to create all my video courses. Maybe from tomorrow I'll be using other tools, but as of today that I'm recording this video, this Go Digital course, and all the courses you have bought from me so far this year, this is also far since I launched my what is it called now, strictlybusiness.ng. These are the tools I use. Just my laptop, this my Boya microphone, screen customatic to record my screen, and this screen customatic is what I'm using to record my screen as I'm talking now. Boya microphone is what I'm using, just attached to my shirt now. My MacBook laptop is what this presentation is being recorded on. My webcam is my laptop camera, although I'm not using webcam now because I'm not showing my face. When I finish recording this video, I will use screen customatic to edit it. What am I editing? I will add the video, a video before it, which is the video that introduces the one that you hear the song paranam paranam, showing strictly business, this and that, then keynote presentation and all. So how do you market your video course when you launch it? Number one, you give away access for free. Number two, you get sincere testimonies. Let few people on your mailing list or your friends or your students, let them watch it for free. If you are just starting afresh, then let them give you your testimonies and tell them you are going to use their testimonies on your website. Instead of giving it for free, you can give it for people at discounted price. If it is 20,000, let people pay 10,000 or 5,000 for it, or even 3,000. Just collect 3,000 from like 10 people, let them watch it, let them give you their sincere testimonies. Then you create a blog or Facebook fan page for the course, just to market it and to make it popular. Then again, you can market the video to your mailing list if you have one. You can upload the summary of the video or a free version of the video on YouTube for people to see. Like if it is a course where you have 10 videos, you can just show one or two for free for people to see, and then you market the rest for a particular amount of money. Again, you can get a converting sales page for the course. I'm sure you know what a sales page is. A sales page is the page where people land on your website, where they read everything about the video and then purchase it. Again, you can also run ads to market your video: Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Google ads, and so on and so forth to market your video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we'll be drawing the curtain on this particular video, and in the next video we'll go practical on how to create a video course. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.